one of the steps how to make your PC more secure. Okay, one of the steps is use firewall. What is firewall? A firewall is a security device in the form of computer hardware or software. As example, we enter the privacy and security window. Okay, we will check the firewall status. We will see that domain, private and public network is on. Let's say we want to enter a Wi-Fi. Our PC will ask to enter security key. This is because a firewall act as a barrier or gatekeeper between your computer and another network, like the internet. It works like a traffic controller, monitoring and filtering traffic that wants to gain access to your operating system. Okay, the Wi-Fi is being validated. Okay, firewall validate access by accessing this incoming traffic for anything malicious like hacker and malware that could infect your computer. This kind of step will provide faster response time and can handle more traffic load in our operating system. Firewall will safeguard your network from cracking attack from the other hacker or unusable internet.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make PC more secure. So there is many ways to make PC more secure, but for me I have one way to make sure your PC more secure, and it will do it before you shut down or before you restart your PC. So my ways is disable the activity history. So disable activity history can find out in privacy setting. This disable activity history must do before you shut down or before you restart your PC to avoid the history will be lagging or virus to your PC. So the next step I will show you the demonstration about how to disable the activity history in the privacy setting. Hello and what's up everyone. So today I'm going to show you about how to make my PC more secure in the Windows 10. So first, we must search the privacy setting in the search box and click it. After clicking, we see the layout of privacy setting in the settings, and we can see it in the left of the layout. Can see the activity history, and we click at the activity history, and we will see the detail of activity history. So the first thing, there is a tick box, pink tick box that shows store my activity history on this device. We don't need our activity in this device after we restart the PC because we want to make a new one history after we restart and after we turn on this PC. So we don't need that. We might be lagging and we will be virus to our PC about the history. So we untick the history, and after you can look below at the setting, we can clear activity history, and we just go ahead with the OK button to clear our activity history, and we will reset our PC, then make a new one, and don't have a clear throwback history or anything. That's all for me. Thank you. Hello and what's up everyone. So today I'm going to show.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Muhammad Izlan Akmal bin Sapanta, and I will be showing you one way of making your PC more secure, and that is by using an antivirus software. So what is an antivirus software? An antivirus software is a program that is designed to prevent, search for, detect and remove software viruses and other malicious software like worms, trojans, adware and many more. In the case of Windows 10, there is already a built-in antivirus program called Windows Security. And to get to Windows Security, we just need to press on Update and Security. And then over to the left, we see here Windows Security, and we can open it. And then we are presented with all the features of Windows Security. So the first one is the virus and threat protection. This is where we are able to scan for files and whatnot. And here are the options that we can do. So quick scan, it just scans the folder. A full scan, it will scan all the folders and also the files inside the folders. A custom scan is where we will be able to choose a specific folder that we want to scan. And then the last one is Microsoft Defender Offline. It will be a more thorough scan, even more than the full scan. And to the second one, it is the account protection. So it will just show us that our account is safe and not compromised or anything. Here is the firewall and network protection, so everything is okay. And here is the app and browser control, where it will protect us from any malicious browsers or any apps that can carry viruses. Here is the device security, and this is the device performance and health. So it shows us the health of our laptop. In my case, I'm using a laptop, so it says here everything, there's no issues with everything with my storage capacity, battery life, apps and software, and also the Windows time service. And lastly is the family option. So this is useful for when you're a parent and you want to control what your children do on the internet. So you can see here, you can set a good screen time habit and also keep track of what your children search on the internet. If we do not wish to use Windows Security, there are other antivirus programs such as Bitdefender, McAfee, and Norton Antivirus, but these programs do cost money, whereas Windows Security comes free with every latest version of Windows. But of course, every antivirus software has its own pros and cons. Thank you, that is all from me.
How to make your PC secure? We were using a VPN. What is a VPN? A VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. VPN will encrypt your internet traffic and cover up your online identity. This makes it more difficult for third party to track your activities online and steal the data. Okay, as an example, we want to check our VPN IP address. So we will enter VPN checker. We enter VPN detection test. This is the IP address for our VPN. Okay, this is the information of our VPN IP address, which is the fraud score is low risk, no spam report found, and clean IP. In example, you want to enter a private website which is gone through the connection, like hurawash.ru. On the screen, it's shown that this type of website is not a secured website. These are the advantages of VPN. Firstly, secure encryption. To read the data, you need an encryption key. Secondly, secure data transfer. VPN services connect to private server and use encryption method to reduce the risk of data leakage. Third, disguising your whereabouts. The demographic location data comes from a server in another country. Your actual location cannot be determined by using a VPN. Fourthly, access to regional content. Services and websites often contain content that can only be accessed from certain part of the world. With VPN location spoofing, you can switch to a server to another country and effectively change your location.